Namaskar. Welcome to this edition of the News Bulletin. In the headlines today, enterprising efforts of the Roll Shop Collective of Sale Rourkela Steel Plant leads to huge cost savings. "24 contract workers trained in welding safety at Diksha, Ispat Suraksha Kaushal Kendra of Sale RSP. And Mail Milap, an interface program organized with people's representatives of resettlement colonies of Sale Rourkela Steel Plant. Now the news in detail. The Roll Shop Department of Sale Rourkela Steel Plant has achieved a significant milestones by successfully salvaging and reconditioning 5 leveler rolls used in leveler 2 of the plate mill. The rolls, which had been rendered unusable due to prolonged wear, were ground and finished by the dedicated team of roll shop collectives, resulting in substantial cost savings and increased roll assembly availability. It may be noted that the roll salvaging process presented a unique challenge for the roll shop, as the rolls were deemed out of use due to surface deterioration. However, the team, in collaboration with plate mill personnel, took on the task with determination. The first hurdle was to load these irregularly shaped rolls onto the roll grinding machine, requiring the development of a new fabricated driver and modifications to the machine alignment. With meticulous precision and attention to detail, the roll shop employees embarked on the grinding process. Their primary objective was to ensure that all 5 rolls achieved the same diameter with a tight tolerance limit of 0.2 mm. By employing their expertise and leveraging the modified machine setup, they successfully ground and finished the rolls to meet the required specifications. The successful salvage operation has yielded significant benefits for Sale RSP, considering that each new leveler roll costs approximately 4.5 lakh rupees. The salvage of these 5 rolls has resulted in an approximate cost saving of 15 lakh rupees. This achievement not only demonstrates the technical capabilities of the roll shop department, but also highlights their commitment to cost efficiency and sustainability. It is noteworthy that roll shop has been playing a vital role in supplying ready roll assemblies to all the rolling mills. In addition to routine roll grinding operations, the collective has been consistently taking up such challenging projects, showcasing their versatility and expertise. The successful salvaging of these leveler rolls mark a significant milestone for the roll shop department and Sale RSP as a whole. With their dedication, technical proficiency and commitment to continuous improvement, the collective has not only achieved substantial cost savings but has also enhanced the availability of leveler roll assemblies, thereby contributing to the overall operational efficiency of the plate mill. 24 contract workers from blast furnace, traffic and raw materials, new plate mill, hot strip mill 1 and 2, coke oven, sintering plants, refractories, crane maintenance, raw material handling plant and steel melting shop 2 were trained in welding safety at Diksha, Ispat Suraksha Kaushal Kendra of Sale Rourkela Steel Plant on 28 June. The sessions covered different aspects like general safety, welding machine operation and maintenance, safety aspects with regard to working with the welding machines and various do's and don'ts of working with the equipments. Practical training on welding was also imparted in the working model provided in the center. The training sessions were conducted by Mr. S.N. Ojha, Regional Directorate, DTNBWE, under Ministry of Labour and Employment. Mr. R.C. Biswal, faculty, also provided inputs on welding safety and facilitated the feedback session. On completion of the training, certificates issued by DTNBWE were presented to the participants. The program was coordinated by Mr. Vigyan Patra, Assistant Manager Personnel CLC, Mr. Manoj Kumar Pradhan, Labour Inspector Personnel CLC, Mr. Surat Kumar Lenka, Labour Inspector Personnel CLC, Mr. Dhruvesh Kumar Behra, Labour Inspector Personnel Projects, and Mr. Shweta Kumar Behra, Labour Inspector Personnel Projects. It is to be mentioned here that the centre aims at imparting training to contract workers and local populace for enriching skills towards eliminating unsafe practices at workplace. Along with the providing training, the purpose of the centre is also to develop a bank of skilled people in and around Rourkela with specialization in behavioral safety. Mail Milap, An interface program was organized with the people's representatives of resettlement colonies of SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant at the Institute of Peripheral Development of RSP on 1st July to ensure Jan Bhagidari or people's participation in CSR's development initiatives. Mr. P.K. Swine, CGMTA and CSR presided over the session and interacted with the participants about the various departmental interventions taken up by RSP's CSR department and also discussed their problems. Present on the occasion were Ms. Munmun Mitra, GM-CSR, Mr. T.V. Topo and Mr. A.N. Pati, both AGM-CSR and other CSR officials. The program was attended by representatives from Ling RS Colony, Ushra RS Colony and Dumejore RS Colony. During the interaction, cooperation of RSP was acknowledged by one and all. Review of the past interventions were made and suggestions and discussions were encouraged to take up new projects under CSR and dovetail them to the needs and requirements to optimize resources. The participants expressed their satisfaction regarding training and skill development initiatives of RSP through CSR and deliberated on other need-based programs for the eligible youth of the region. Enhancing the use of steel in rural areas were also discussed. Ms. Munmun Mitra coordinated the program and elaborated on the various departmental programs undertaken in these areas. That's all for today's news. Namaskar.